Good morning, everyone. Again, this is Tax Savings Tuesday. There you go. And we have feedback. Okay, let me see this. Let me just fix it. At least we know that our audio is working. That's what matters. Okay, so today we're going to discuss regarding the automation and what is the importance on your business to automate and use the cloud-based or outsource your accounting services. For those of you, I'm Chris Waikoko, the Chief Marketing Officer of Waiko Tax. This is a year-round, all-in-one accounting and wealth planning service solution here in United States. For those of you that are going to participate, all the questions, please type on the chat box, and we will answer it later. Thank you for joining. There you go. Thank you for joining on our live chat today. We do it every second and fourth Tuesday of the month, and it's tax season. That's why this is a very relevant topic for everybody. So I'm going to share my screen to discuss more how important is automation and do having a cloud-based service and accounting will help your business to grow. Oh, yeah. This the chat GPT. Okay, there you go. So I'm sharing my screen right now, and we get this started. This is the Tax Savings Tuesday cutting edge insights on digital transformation in accounting. You can connect by finding us on LinkedIn. It's Chris Waikoko. If you haven't, connect with me, Chris Waikoko or Christopher De La Cruz. It doesn't matter. We also have the replay of this presentation will be seen on our YouTube channel. If you would like to follow and subscribe, you can enter our raffle. We are giving a free gift card. Then join our private business group to how to grow your business, whether you're a startup or scale up. And if you have a trouble on your books, on your taxes, all you have to do is book a 30-minute free consultation and we will get back to you. This live chat will only last less than 30 minutes. There's a Q&A session. If there are questions, we will answer, but you're more than welcome to contact us after this. And the participants are encouraged to type questions. We have a checklist on our website, then be part of our gift raffle. The audience that we are looking here, if you are small business owners, self-employed, work from home, people that receiving 1099s, have an S Corp LLC or partnerships with or without employees, e-commerce, non-accountants, high-income professionals, more than $90,000 a year. This presentation is meant for you. Just a disclaimer that this material has been prepared for informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for tax or legal or any accounting advice. Example of this and other materials in this webinar are only for illustrative purpose and should not be relied upon technical answers. We are an outsourced bookkeeping and accounting company, and we're not associated with any institutions on this presentation, and it's a private business providing resources. Let's dig into it. These are the following services, or what are the software that we're using for the accounting automation or cloud. Right now, I mean, having a desktop version is like an old thing in the past. It's basically like you are using a typewriter, but now we are all in the edge of computer, especially after pandemic. Instead of having a desktop version of any software, because the problem that we're having when you have a desktop version, it you need an IT, you need what do you call this? You need a high memory on your computer to download the software, whether it's QuickBooks. And if you're using like Excel sheet, it's good if your Excel sheet is connected to the cloud. That is better. But the thing with the Excel, you cannot just do integration of your bank account. So for example, we have a client that started a sushi company. So the way the integration or having a cloud-based accounting is, this is the QuickBooks. The number one that we're really using is the QuickBooks platform. This is like the McDonald's of accounting software. What we have to do is we register our client to have a QuickBooks online, and then through that we integrate or automatically feed the bank statements from the from their business bank account, business credit cards, and other purchase operating system or the POS system directly linked to the QuickBooks. So therefore, there's the business bank account, there's a business credit card, and there's the POS system that directly throws and feed the accounting software like QuickBooks Online. We're using QuickBooks Online, not the desktop, because online, it's live integration. It's month to month, and then also it's highly protected. So that's what they're good for. And then you don't have to always do an update on the desktop. The problem with the desktop, especially if you're on a budget, it eats a lot. It's a lot of memory on the computer. So what are the other benefits for a benefits of a cloud-based accounting? Number one, you have a peace of mind because you do not deal with if you outsource your accounting services and it's cloud-based, you do not need to deal with the IRS by collecting all the shoe boxes. Right now we have a client ongoing that they've been audited for their 2021. This is a digital marketing agency. The good thing, because he has a online QuickBooks, he can always give guest access to the auditor. It helps to facilitate the process because they are all on there for the past 5 years, all the financial records from balance sheet, profit and loss, and all the bank, it's already integrated, the credit card, the purchase operating system, the invoices, the 1099s are all in the QuickBooks. So therefore, the IRS could just easily access it as a guest if in terms of any audit. So you can also save headache. That's another benefit because you do not need to learn and purchase and learn complicated accounting software if you have an outsourced accounting company like Wyco Tax, that all you have to purchase is the accounting QuickBooks Online, and then we are the one. You have a virtual accountant that will do the entry, the profit and loss, the balance sheet, all those transactions in a month-to-month basis. So that's why you can focus on to grow your business, and we're focusing on making sure on checking on the numbers. Then it will also save time because, for example, you don't have you're in Las Vegas and you want to check your financials, right? Let's say you attended the business conference looking for investors. Instead of you having the PDF copy on your email, all you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online, whether it's an ABC account or whatever you have. You can easily transfer the profit and loss and find other financial reports, your cash flow balance sheet reports, to the potential investors. It also helps when you have a lender. They can easily just submit it. It's so easy. Send the link on using the QuickBooks link to that, so the banker can download the profit and loss, especially the month to month or the current transactions. Save money. Of course, you will avoid penalties because if you done the financial records wrong initially, let's say you put the legal fees under marketing, that's already wrong. Unlike with when you have cloud-based accounting, the AI will automatically tells you and give you suggestion whether this company is for marketing, whether the purchases you did in Walmart or the purchases you did in the gas station. It will automatically tells you where to throw the transaction or the item. Then lastly, this is what really matters the most, is because our company's goal is to increase the cash flow while reducing legally the taxes, is there's a faster access to grants and loans because especially when you're a business owner, the cash flow might be very challenging. So that's why whether you're applying with the SBA to the lenders or bankers, they all need an updated tax returns and financial statements, and this is where we kick in. Can you imagine collecting all these documents? Because typically, when you're applying for, excuse me, oh my God, I'm having a bad cough. Especially if you're applying for loans, they usually track the past 2 years. So the past financial statement, even the tax returns, past 2, 3 years. So instead of you looking on your shoe boxes and getting all these reports, you have the QuickBooks where you can see that. Okay, so those are the importance of a cloud-based accounting and how it will change drastically and save you because time is money. That's why you want everything automated, integrated, and collaborated. That's why you can entrust your business to us because we are a worry-free year-round competitive and on-time accounting-based service solution for all your financial needs. So what we do is we give you or we let you feed either six slices of pizza from your entity. We check on that slice one, record keeping, business expenses, tax credits, and other tax sheltered accounts like 401k. These are the services that we provided. And at the end of the year, we file your taxes. All these six slices of pizza are important in able to have a 10,000 at least tax savings. Who doesn't want to save, right? And this is how we also help you guys from taxable income. We're trying to diversify your money from being less tax or even at no tax at all. And we have a one-time offer. It's a 2023 bookkeeping and tax bundle. When you avail this, this is a limited offer. We will do your bookkeeping and tax filing. Also, you have a dedicated virtual accountant. Plus, if ever you get audited for 2023, we are you have coverage of 3 years that you have us to reply to any letter from the Internal Revenue Service. So again, guys, on next Tuesday, thank you for watching. On next Tuesday, we're gonna give on second Tuesday we're going to give you the tips of 10,000 tax savings and bookkeeping tips for business owners. So now, stay tuned. It's every second and fourth Tuesday, 9 a.m. Central Time. So book us today. So there you go. If you have any questions, we're gonna go over because this is very short. It's a live chat, and we want direct we just want direct questions and also direct presentations. I know it's overwhelming. That's why we are here to make it simple. All right. So, guys, now if you have further questions, feel free to book us. And thank you so much for watching because just like you, your tax needs a break, like me. I need a break.